hiking to Hopetoun Falls, which is a very famous waterfall, about a kilometre return walk. And in fact, we can see it right down there. Looking really nice this morning. But yeah, we're going to head off down to the base, about a kilometre return walk, and I'll see you a bit further down. Really early in the morning and very, very pretty in the rainforest. All the birds are out in that. It's quite a long staircase down to the base of the falls. Some nice views sort of across the valley. But you just pretty much descend deeper and deeper into the rainforest. It's quite different to, say, Tasmanian rainforest. The ferns are probably bigger. The trees are kind of more slim and it's not as lush, but it's still really pretty. Coming into the base of the falls now. It's a really, really pretty walk, this. And here we are, Hopetoun Falls. Gorgeous. Flowing really well as well. Well, this one tends to always have a good amount of water. And up there is where we've come from. At least a 20-25 metre high drop. And I would say it'd be the most impressive waterfall we'll see in the Otways. Well, we've just climbed the 200 steps, yes I counted them, back up to the top. We're pretty much back at the car park now, so I'll just wrap up the video. Obviously it's a really nice walk. I think people would tend to say it's between this falls and Erskine Falls for the best waterfall in the Otways / Great Ocean Road area. And I would have to say it's comfortably this much better. It's really, really pretty. And it's flowing really well. Platypus in that river as well. We didn't see it, but yeah, that'll be it for this video. I'll see you at the next waterfall we find.